Alright guys, welcome to BBQLAND, a UK specialist barbecue retailer in Hertfordshire. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be firing up the Ooni Karu. We're going to be using the gas attachment to cook up a pizza. It's going to be a cheese and tomato pizza. I'm going to show you how I'll prepare it and how I'll cook it. So what we're going to be using today, we're going to be using the pizza peel, the turning peel, just an infrared thermometer. We've got some mozzarella cheese there, a bit of flour, our pizza dough, and you can find this obviously on Ooni has a pizza dough recipe, so go check that out. And we have some of the tomato base, which is just tinned tomatoes that I've just simmered down, reduced the liquid a little bit, and then blitzed up with a stick blender. So let's get the Ooni fired up. So there we go, it's all fired up. If you haven't seen my other videos on BBQLAND, go check them out. It shows me the unboxing of the Karu and obviously an accessory lineup, and it shows you in detail how to use and put the gas attachment on, and how to use it with wood as well. So go check that out. Now we're all fired up. We're going to leave that for around about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll check it with our temperature gauge. We want to be looking at around 450 to 500 degrees on the stone, so we'll keep an eye on that and we'll be back when that's up to temperature. So our oven is basically near temperature of around about 430 degrees C. So what we're going to do, we're going to start prepping our pizza. First things first, we're going to get the dough, we're going to place it into the flour. Flip it over, like so. Now we've got it on our lightly floured work board. We're going to work from inside out, keeping that crust, which will be the crust. Just keep sort of working it. Then we're going to pull the crust with our hands and just stretch the dough a bit. And we're going to, you can stretch it out with your thumbs or your fingertips and let gravity pull it down. So when you're sort of happy with the size of the dough, I'm going to lay it out just like that. We're going to get our pizza sauce. I'm just going to spread it around, not getting any on the crusts. And we're going to take our cheese. And what I've done is I've lightly floured the metal pizza peel, because that's what we're going to end up launching the pizza in. We're going to pick it up, drag it onto the pizza peel, do a little stretch, and then just make sure he's moving. We'll go over to the oven. So we've got our pizza there. I'm just going to make sure it moves. In we go. And we're going to take our pizza turner. We're going to keep an eye on the back of the pizza because that's where it's most hot, where the flame comes out. And this should only take 60 to 90 seconds. You can see the back of the crust starting to puff up now. By all means, you can use this to take it out, turn it, or you can obviously use your pizza turner. We're just going to spin it round until we've cooked all the dough around. And there we have our freshly baked pizza. Check that out. Look at that base. Took no time to make, and it took no time to cook. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. That was a very quick Neapolitan style cheese and tomato pizza, all cooked in the Ooni Karu using the gas attachment. Head over to BBQLAND.co.uk where you can find this Ooni along with all the other Oonis, as well as all their accessories that you can get for them, and check out the videos on them as well. We do have unboxings and accessory videos that will show you all the accessories, etc. So I'll catch you next time. Cheers.